welcome to your first reading lesson. So you need to take out your reading page. It should look like this. It says The Perfect Pet. We're going to read this page together. I'm going to explain a couple of the words that you may not understand. Maybe you do, and that's great if you already do. There might be other words that you don't know, you don't understand, and that's fine. If I don't explain them and you're not sure what they are, just send me a message. Ask your mom or your dad if you can send me a message, or if you have your own phone, you can send me a message on WhatsApp and ask me what a word means if there's something that you don't understand. Don't be afraid to ask me if there's anything that you don't understand. Okay, we are going to read this together slowly, and then I'm going to explain the words and the things on the back. The Perfect Pet. Matt stood at the window and tried to get a good look inside Pam's Perfect Pet shop. Any day now, his mom would decide that he was ready for his first pet. Matt had been trying hard to show her how faithful he could be with his chores and with helping around the house. Stop there for a moment, where it says, any day now his mom would decide. To decide is to decidir. And how faithful he could be with his chores, that's how fiel he is haciendo his cosas en la casa. Next paragraph. Matt squinted his eyes and pushed closer against the window. He could see lizards, birds, and mice in cages. He could see puppies and some kittens too. He knew exactly what kind of pet he wanted. Stop there. Squinted. That's when you entre cerrar your ojos, you kind of make them nice and tiny. It helps you to see a little bit better. Continue. His pet would be soft and playful. The perfect pet for Matt would lick his face and wag its tail. It would be smart enough to learn tricks and play chase in the yard. Matt had the perfect name for his pet too. He would name it Buddy. Stop there. Lick, that's to lemetazo, that's licking. And then chase, that's to perseguir, to run around after someone. Continue. Matt slowly turned from the window to leave. One day soon, he would be bringing home his perfect pet. All right, that is your story. Down at the bottom of the page, it says, with a blue crayon, or if you have a colored pencil, either one will work. With a blue crayon, underline, so put a línea abajo, the clues, the pistas, that help you to guess what kind of pet Matt was wanting. So did you notice your story didn't tell you what kind of pet he wants? You have to guess what kind of pet. So look at your story. What do you think helps you to guess what kind of pet he wants? So underline those things. Put a línea abajo with a blue crayon or colored pencil. Don't use a marker because that will go through to the other side of the paper. On the other side, you have some questions to answer. So flip over your paper. Number 1, this story is about, and now you can circle Pam, Matt, or Matt's mother. Who's the person that it's mostly about, that is mostly doing the thinking and the talking? Number 2, where is Matt in this story? So, ¿dónde está Matt? Number 3, what kind of pet is Matt wanting to get? So you get to write down what you think it is there for that question. And number 4, what is the name Matt chose for his pet? And it's fine for you to go back to the story to try to find the answers, to write them in here. And then when you're all done, go ahead and color your page, make it look nice and pretty. Don't forget to put your name in the top of your page. You have to have your name on the top of your page so I know who it belongs to when I get your homework. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you have a wonderful day and you do well with the rest of your lessons. Love you guys so much. Bye.